Oh! Oh!
You hit it?
Yep.
Okay, so since we know where there's some for now, I'm gonna try to anchor us here.
Oh no!
Hit it again?
No!
I'm telling you, dude.
Oh.
Cast it far.
Got him!
You got him. Nice. That's a good one. That's a good one.
I know, dude.
Make sure he doesn't fucking come off. That's a nice one.
Dude, hell yeah. More behind him too?
Yes, there's more behind him. Alright, here we go.
You guys are all on video too. Dude, what did I say about the GoPro, bro? I'm telling you, bro.
Finally.
If you take out the GoPro when there's fish biting, they will stop biting. But if there's no fish biting, take out the GoPro, they'll start biting. It's crazy.
There was at least one behind that guy.
Yeah, yeah. This is the best sawfish bait you could ever ask for right here.
That's eating. What are you talking about?
Remember what happened the last time we caught one of these up? Is that a bar jack?
No, that's jack. That's a yellow jack.
Oh, it is. Nice.
There was one behind him too. I saw it.
So this is like the average size.
No, the average jack are bigger than that. These are pretty small guys.
Should I put him in a cooler?
Yes. Under the ice, boy.
It's a little baby guy. He's fat as
Yeah. Got him.
That's a bigger one.
Yeah, a little nicer. Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, Longnose Gar. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's a nice fish, dude.
Yeah,
nice.
bro. That's fun as shit. You won't jump. Look at him. Look at this. Oh, there's a big one behind him.
Really?
Yeah, pretty big. 5 pounds maybe.
Yeah, pretty big.
Oh. Oh. Take it easy, kid.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Hey, let me get to the under. Oh, I see the one under him, dude.
Yeah.
After this one, we don't need any more.
We gotta kill one of these up.
Damn. All right, you can pull that. Damn, I don't know how I didn't get H's then.
It's a beautiful
That's a
fish.
nice little 3-pounder.
Wow, that thing is so pretty.
Yeah, there's. Yeah, there was one behind him that was real nice.
Yeah. That's such a cool fish, man.
Dang it, I just. Oh, maybe it was grass.
Throw him in the box?
Yeah, yeah.
Dad'll be happy, huh? Oh. Oh, dude, those were such nice ones.
Yeah, there was a few of the same size. That was cool. This little channel holding good too.
There he is.
Yeah?
Yep.
Nice.
Big yellow. This is something
Yeah.
big, dude.
That's a good one. That's gonna be a nice one.
Dude, this is so sick. He doesn't even know he's hooked yet.
I know, he literally doesn't. Okay, I'm curious to see how big this one is. He's just like,
Probably the
chilling
same
in
size as
current.
yours.
Yeah.
Swimming up current, that's scary.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, he's nice.
Definitely a yellow jack. I can tell by the fucking tail kick.
Damn, it's in the shadows, so I can't even like see if there's any behind him. Oh, he's not even that big.
No, he's not.
He just fights so hard. Any behind him? Nice, another one.
Dude, this is great.
Put that one on the floor. That's a.
Nah, I'm putting him back.
Oh, put that one on the floor. Put that one on the floor. Let's just do like that nice one. We'll keep that one and that's it.
No, he's going back.
No, dude, it's good sushi, bro. Come on, throw one. Throw it in there, dude. Damn, he's so fat.
So fat.
Oh my god.
This is a good little spot here.
Huh?
Most jacks have teeth, but these guys have like a suction mouth. Definitely tell they mostly eat crustaceans.
It's more like a snook. Like a snook or a bass than a jack smaller.
Don't distract me now.
I'm sorry, bro.
Because now I'm gonna put on a tube and you got me f***ed up now. You don't want a net, right? The trash fish of Caillou. Action
I
is.
still love these things. I know they're Lakers. But
I love them
still
too.
love
I will always love lake trout. Mackinac.
What was that?
Another one blew up?
Well, no, maybe it was ice falling in. Like melting and then falling in.
How deep is it? Like 40 here? 30?
We're in 30. And that fish is right out there. They bite it so soft, bro.
Oh, really?
So soft.
They just like pick it up?
Sometimes they bite it soft. This one bit it like fucking. It felt like I just like ran my bait into a clump of weeds.
All right. He's 3.5.
It's a 4-pounder, I bet, dude. They're heavier in the cold.
These things, that's like an 18-incher and it's like 4 pounds. You think he wanted that?
Dude, here. Go in.
4.5? Holy shit. That thing's fat as boy. Wow, dude. Wow. 4.5 pounds? That thing's like 18 inches long. 4.5 pounds? That's insane. That's insane, bro. Oh, why is the tube so effective? Why is it like that effective?
It's so effective.
It's like not okay. I wanted to take like one stupid run right now. Those like high 20, low 30s will take some nice ass runs. What's he spitting up? He's spitting something up.
Gobies?
I don't know what it is.
5 micro gobies. Yeah, that's a goby, bro. Can't digest a goby, I bet.
That fish is strong, boy.
The smallest, strongest fish ever.
The smallest, strongest. We're doubled. What you gonna know about that? Holy shit, this thing choked it.
This is like the easiest area to hook this off.
Yeah, I might just like
With the bait keep trying to do that. That's a nice one, bro.
yeah, that's a 27.
Yeah. Dope.
I can't tell if those are like head shakes or if I got him in the tail or some shit.
It's fighting really hard, or it was.
It's like mad hard. I don't know, maybe he is snagged. But I don't understand why he would be.
Yeah.
So
Weird. Sometimes like he could have been dancing on it. You never really know. It could be just like normal.
Amazing. That is amazing.
Oh, this is so big.
That is so cool.
This has got to be my PB. Thank God I got the 40-pound test on here.
Yeah. Do you have a steel eater or just
No, just 40-pound.
Ooh, good thing you got that drag.
Yeah, I got loose drag. Just have them tire them out.
Yep.
Oh my God.
That's over 4 foot.
That's a 50. That's a 50-inch long nose, dude.
It's definitely a 50.
Oh my God. Oh, that head shake's mean. Oh my God.
That is a serious fish right there.
Yeah. I'm working all day for this thing. That's the biggest one I've hooked.
Sure. It's definitely over a 48. That's for sure.
Maybe get him right here in this little pocket right here. I can't believe of all things, jigging a bluegill on the surface is what got this thing to bite.
Oh, but it worked.
It worked a little too well. Hope he's not fraying out that leader too much.
That's what I'm worried about.
That's why I got my drag so loose. This thing is way too strong, dude. Maybe I should... I don't even know what to do here, honestly.
Just gotta keep working him. If you can just get him close enough to me, I can grab him real quick.
He's getting tired.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah! Let's go! Dude! Give me some! Oh my God. Now that is a long nose. So let me get yours.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
No way did we just do that. Oh my God.
Way to go.
Oh, I should have got my tape. Think you'll be fine in the water for a while?
Yeah, they'll be fine.
I might get, that's 50 inches, dude. It's gotta be.
Wow. Yeah, it looks like a 50 to me. It's fat too. Get in front.
Get a GoPro shot of mine. Because I want to get him back right now.
Sorry, I got my fingers in there.
Just hold it like from behind. No, get down, trust me.
Oh,
sorry,
shit.
bud. He'll be alright though. Yeah, there you go. Should be a good shot. Jeez. Alright, buddy. On your way now. Adios, big girl. Hell yeah. Dude,
Sweet.
double up. Waited all day for that window.
All paid off.